Like my grandmother was told to take her shopping bag out for walking when she was pregnant. I'm creating a good vibes cat body for myself to take out so I can take care of myself. Because in yesterday's meditation it became clear that I don't. And it's a shame because it means I don't enjoy life. So that's why I'm making this body. The body of the cat is done. So now it's time to add some stuffing. And what's more fitting than to stuff a cat that's supposed to help me take care of myself and go on refreshing walks is to add stuff I actually found in the nature. Because I have a thing with found textiles. Sometimes I find it outside and I always want to make a quilt out of it. So no better day than this one. This I found on my walk today. I think it's gloves that died. It's a little bit dirty, but that's part of the nature, of course. I'm not going to clean it because it's shamanism, so it's fine if there's forest inside it. This one I found in Ghent when I was there visiting the brother of my boyfriend. So I don't think it will be enough, but I also have some leftovers from this project. I also usually use as stuffing. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's stuffed. Next step is to close it. And I'm going to show you how I pin it, but I'm not going to show you how I sew it, because that's usually a very intimate moment where I also give the toy the life breath. So that's a personal process. I can show you how it's done sometimes, but this is a special toy to me. So it's a little bit more of an intimate moment. Ow. The cat is done. This cat is going to be my body. I'm going to use this cat to take care of myself, because when I don't go out for a walk, I know this cat will be looking at me angrily and threatening to throw my cups on the floor. Sometimes you need a cute object to be your spirit self-care, and I hope you actually do it. Welcome to the family, little one.